Hey everybody, I'm still working on that off-brand modular build and hasn't been a whole lot to show you, but I do like, again, some of the more interesting building techniques. And right there, that stair rail, that is exactly what I was looking for when I was building my fire escape. Too late now, fire escape on my, that'd be the Boston building, is already done, but that would have worked great. Assuming the bars, I could have gotten all the lengths I needed. What I really like, if I can focus here, is how they connected this floating piece. Right here, they used what I'll call the ping pong paddles, hooked on clips, put a round tile on top, but put a round plate on the bottom and hooked it in for this floating corner piece. Now it's not very stable, but it's a great way to get a piece on a corner, and that's from the new house building is something I've always been interested in. The other thing I've noticed, this is a 45-degree angle wall. What they've done is they put a bunch of windows on a 6x2 plate, and then they're going to connect it to this single stud here. And then the final thing is with these round columns here, these are always hard to integrate into your square build if you want it to be a nice column without any square edges poking out. So they again used the ping pong paddle, hooked it to a clip, and then tied it in right there. So overall, if I can do this and film at the same time, there you go. Corner wall, really quick. Now we'll see how sturdy this is since it's only on a single stud, but I did think that that was an interesting building technique. Okay, I'm going to show you one more thing they did to secure this corner section right here. And they used these, basically the round cones with a claw in it with another I can't remember what I was calling them, the little ping pong paddles. Now the interesting thing is they put those on before they actually put this top piece on, and when you do that, the paddle in the claw moves too much and you really can't get it secure. So I took them off, put them on the bottom of the whole main corner that was going onto the windows below, and then I put it down, and that actually made it work. Anyway, so you basically have 3 points holding that whole wall on, although you do have the rounds in there that do kind of pinch it tight and hold it in there. So it seemed, it's pretty sturdy considering it's only got those 3 connection points. But, another cool building technique. I always like the corners, as I've said, and I'm going to finish this up. Okay, everyone, there she is, all put together, if I can get back far enough to show you. It's got a little mail car right here. It's got the nice dome, and if I can swing this around, I will show you, assuming I haven't already, and I don't lose my car. They used the same ping pong paddle technique right in there. There are actually 2 more paddles under the roof that hold on that entire dome section. The dome is basically just made with hinges that all fold in, so that was quite easy. And overall I am quite pleased with this build, even though it's not Lego. The one thing that it is not so good at is going together for the modular build. I've just set this on here because it is such a pain to get it to snap on. But I'll show you the final little details inside are, it's a pottery studio in there. But the one thing that may make this worth the whole price, whether or not I can sell the Legos or not, is this. It actually comes with a lighting kit. Now there's no instructions regarding how to use the lighting kit, But, you know, these can run $50 by themselves without this. So, you know, you look at the lighting kit, that makes this whole build only about $70 if that's really worth 50. And I'll have to figure out whether I'll use it on this or maybe even use it on another set. But that, I mean, that truly is, you know, almost worth buying another one of these just to get some more lighting kits. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and really some of the techniques that they use, because that's why I was, you know, doing this in the first place more than anything. And I will get on with my modular build. See you next time.